Want to snack guilt-free while saving the planet? Start with this easy swap. Replace your single-use plastic packaged chips with homemade veggie chips. Simply slice your favorite veggies like sweet potatoes or zucchini, toss them in olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt, and bake them in the oven until crispy. Going for a dip? Opt for homemade hummus using canned chickpeas, tahini, and lemon juice instead of store-bought plastic containers. Not only are these swaps better for the environment, but they're also healthier and more cost-effective. So, the next time you're craving a snack, choose planet-friendly nibbles and inspire others by sharing your creations online.